Today, we're going to subtract two-digit numbers using regrouping with K-pop notes for tens and ones. Each column can only hold the digits 0 to 9, so when we do not have enough ones to subtract, we will group one 10 into 10 ones and then subtract step by step. That's because one 10 is worth 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can simply swap it for one of these. If there aren't enough one notes in the top number to take away the bottom ones, we trade one 10 note for 10 one notes and then subtract. Let's work through an example together. 52 minus 37. 2 points. Order matters. 52 minus 37 is very different to 37 minus 52. That is not what we want. The number we're taking away from, the 52, must go on top. So to start off, we have 52, which is our top number, what we're taking away from. So I have 2 ones in my ones column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens in my tens column. I want to take away 37. So I need to take away 7 from 2. I can't do that. I need more ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to regroup this 10 into ones. So I'm going to take this away, which means that this is no longer 5. It's now 4. Okay. I'm going to change it into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to bring the ones and regroup them into this column, which means I have 10 ones and 2 ones, which makes 12. Now, 12 minus 7, I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just put this over here. And that means that I have 5 left. 4 minus 3, I have enough. I've got 4 tens, and I want to take away 3 tens. That means I have 1 10 left, which means that I have 15. Here are some practice questions for you. Pause the video and we'll come back and go through them together. How did you do? You have 43 minus 28. So we have 3 ones and we want to minus 8. We don't have enough. So we need to do our regrouping again. We're going to take one of these, put it into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This means that this becomes 3 and this becomes 13. So a ones column has 13 in it. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move that over here, which leaves us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our tens column has 3 in it. And we take away 2, which leaves us with 1. Which leaves us with 15. This time around, we're starting off with 61. We have 1 and 6 tens. So 1 minus 7 we can't do. So we're going to again make this into 10 ones. So we can move it over and regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means that the tens is no longer 6 tens, it's 5 tens. And we've added 10 ones, so it becomes 11. Now we're going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 tens minus 3 tens leaves us with 2 tens. So we have 24. So now we have 74, and 74 minus 58. So we don't have enough ones here. We only have 4. So we're going to take our 10 again. We're going to change it and regroup into the ones column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we can't put this in this column like this, in this column like this. We have to change it. So that means that we've taken 1 10 away, so it now becomes 6. We put 10 ones there, so it's 14. So 14 ones minus 8, you probably already know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 tens minus 5 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll take those away. Leaves me with 1 tenth, so that is 16. If you regrouped a 10 whenever the top ones were too small, you're doing 2-digit regrouping subtraction exactly right. Well done. If you'd like to practice more regrouping subtraction, follow the playlist or head to the blog.